when I say no one cares about your story, I don't say that to be mean. I say that because it's reality. A lot of my clients want to write a memoir. They want to share their story because to them, they've been through some things in life, which most people have. So they want to share their story. But unless people already have a relationship with you, they really don't care. I mean, that's just the truth. What I started doing with my clients is helping them to write their story as a creative nonfiction story, which is still their story, still them sharing what they've gone through, but it reads like a fiction. It reads like a fiction novel, but it's all true. Because you've heard the saying, truth is better than fiction. So if you have this amazing story that you just want to share, that you feel like the world just needs to hear, consider writing it as a creative nonfiction story. Because if you just put it out as a memoir, your friends and family and just nosy people who want to know what happened in your life are going to buy it. But the whole goal, I'm pretty sure, is to reach the mass. The best way to do that is by writing it as a creative nonfiction. So you would think about who the characters in your story. Now remember, these are real people. These are people that were really in your life, okay? That really played a role in whatever it is that you're writing about. So you're gonna have your characters. I would suggest changing the names unless you've cleared it with them and they're okay with you using them in your story. Other than that, I would change the names. But anyway, you're really gonna have to, like I said, present this in a way that people other than the people that know you want to read your story. Build the story up. Give us the dialogue, and don't tell me what Susan said. Let me pretend like I am in the room as this is happening so I can hear what Susan is saying myself. I don't want you to tell me what Susan said. I want to hear Susan say it, okay? So that's how you write creative nonfiction. So you basically take your story and turn it into a novel, okay? You've read novels. You know how novels read. Because I love fiction so much, because I love crafting stories, because I love putting it together, I just love the whole process of writing. I don't mind taking your story, helping you, because I have to make sure people understand I'm not a ghostwriter, I'm not writing your story, but I will help you. I will help you write your story. If you're thinking about writing your story, if you're thinking about writing a memoir, think about writing it as a creative nonfiction. It's your story, but it's your story brought to life in a more creative way.